Rivas, Company Commander. Cadet First Lieutenant John Hayden Evangelista, Company EXO. Cadet First Lieutenant John Warren Nicalier, First Platoon Leader Boys. Cadet Second Lieutenant Paulo Salamanque, Second Platoon Leader Girls. Cadet Second Lieutenant Sheila Jean Oliveros. Principal Anita L. Santa Rosa, Assistant Principal Neil Corso Cunha. Good President Manuel Doble, State Commandant Armando Sampel, Assistant Commandant Dean Cortez, Engineer Staff Sergeant Dean Villanueva, Reserve Party, Item Coordinator, Chief of Staff Entry number 14, Uri St. Joseph